Hi everyone, welcome back to Waverley BMW. My name is Bosco and this is Karan. Today we're going to show you how to use the adaptive cruise control in your BMW.
The adaptive cruise control has the ability to maintain speed, the distance between the vehicles, and even steer by itself.
To activate the adaptive cruise control, simply just accelerate to the design speed. Then you need to press the cruise control button on the left hand side of your steering wheel. Now your BMW will continue driving by itself. Not only that, your BMW also will maintain the safe distance from the car in front, as well as keeping you in the center of your lane. You can adjust the distance from the front car by simply pressing the plus and minus buttons. If the front car slows down, your car will automatically slow down as well. If you take your hands off the steering wheel, the car will steer by itself around 10 seconds. And then the steering wheel, as well as the instrument cluster, will warn you to take your hands back on the steering wheel. You can also change the intended speed by pushing the switch in the middle here to increase or decrease the speed. To cancel the cruise control, it can be done by pressing the cancel button on the steering wheel or just simply press the brake. You can resume the adaptive cruise control again by pressing the resume button on the top left of the steering wheel.
If you like to steer the vehicle by yourself, you can use the mode button on the steering wheel to switch to distance control mode only. To do this, simply press the mode button and select distance control. In this mode, the car will maintain the distance with the vehicle in the front while allowing you to steer the vehicle by yourself. Another useful feature is the speed limiter function, which is an alternative to the cruise control. In this mode, the driver maintains control of the accelerator and the steering, but you are able to set a limiter on the maximum speed. This helps you to not exceed the speed limit on the road. It is still possible to accelerate past the set limit if needed by simply accelerating more. To exit the limit mode, you can press the limit button again.
These features are designed to provide convenience and comfort, but you are still required to drive safely on the road.
Happy motoring, and we will see you in the next video.